So hello everyone, we'll be in this session, we will be doing aggregate function and then we will be doing joins. So when we talk about aggregate function, I mean average, how we going to perform average, sum, count, minimum, maximum. So mainly these five we will be doing. So we are talking about aggregate function. Now, let us do a question. So we are going to have these tables, product table. We're going to have customer table, order table, order line table. Then we have orders table. Okay. Now, let us say we have to display the number of product finish available in this shop. Let us say we have to display the number of product finish available in this shop. So when we see here, what I mean by this, we have cherry 1, natural ash 2, natural maple 3, white ash 4, walnut 5. Okay, so let's see. We'll do select. So if we want to know the number of product finish, so we will have to count. The column name is product underscore finish. So we're going to put here product underscore finish. Now you will see that we have duplicate. It appears, cherry appears several times, natural ash appears several times. Look, if it appears several times, it has to count only once. Then we have to remove the duplicates. To remove the duplicates, we have to use here distinct keyword from product. Yeah, let's run it. So you see how it's 5. We've just counted, it's 5. So it's good. But check here, we have count, distinct, product, finish. It's not user friendly. We can put a user friendly column here by putting an alias, number of product finish. All right, so now we run it. So now the title has changed. It has a user-friendly title, number of product finish. Okay, so this is one. I guess you've understood it. Display the highest price per product finish. Now, if I have to display the highest price per product finish. Okay, highest price. So let's put it different now, do something. We'll do select highest price. So we're going to use max. Max means maximum. So highest price. Price would enter unit underscore price. This is the column name. So we are going to put the column name here. Unit underscore price. So highest price, I'll put the column name. We need it per product finish. Product underscore finish, that's the column name. So next to the column name, we're going to have a unit price, which will be term highest price from product. Then I put, remember that aggregate function, it works with group by statement. We have to group by product underscore finish. So cherry 325. Let's see here. We have cherry 175. We have 325. So in these two, which one is the highest? This one. So that's why it's 325 here. Natural maple 650. Let's see. Natural maple, we have 650. We have only ones. It appears only once, so it's okay. Walnut 250. Walnut comes only once, so you see this one only will be displayed. White ash 750. White ash, I have one. This also one. 750 comes. White ash. Natural ash, we have several. We have 200, we have 375, and we have 800. So here we will have 800. So the highest price has been displayed. Which aggregate function has been used? We have used max as the aggregate function in front of price. The column that shows price in this case is unit underscore price. We have to put the attribute name as per the table in our select statement. After from, we put the table name. Now, I'll do another question. We display the minimum price of products by per product finish. And I'm going to add a bit here. The result must be displayed in ascending order. So you see when it's displayed here, it's C, N, W, then we have N again. But I want it in ascending order, this one. Display the minimum price per product finish. Minimum price, here it will be min price. So here I'm going to change it. I put minimum price. So that the column becomes user friendly. From product, it's still group by product finish. The result must be displayed in ascending order. Let's add another part here. Order by product finish has to be in ascending order. ASC. So now I have C and W. So it's in ascending order. If I wanted it to be in descending order, when I remove here, I put it descending, DESC. Okay, WNC. This is in descending order. If I want to ascending order, it's ASC. Again, I put ascending order, it's ASC. Good. Next question. I'll do another question. Display the average price of products in hand. Oublie pas average. Average products in hand. Here it's the value. I want the average of all this. So here I'll do select average. The attribute name is on hand. So here put average products. It's still from product. It's the same table from product. Let's run it. So what it has done, it has added all this and divided it by 8. So this is how we use aggregate function. Now let's do a simple query, another query. If I want to display the total price, what to display here, display the total price of products whose product finish is natural ash. So we have 1, 2, 3 natural ash. So we have these 3 figures that has to be added. So select total price. It will be 7. Sum. Price is in attribute unit underscore price. Total price. Let's see if I do it this way. Group by product underscore finish, having product underscore finish is equal to natural ash. $13.75. So check what it has done. It's done 200. It added with 375, 575. Then it adds with this one, 13.75. And here's the answer. So we get, when we use aggregate function, it's good to use group by and having. Or else we could put, let's see, we put here where product finish. What happens if we do it this way? Same thing. Either we use this one or we use group by having. It's a good practice to use aggregate function. It's good to put it with group by and having. Okay, so this is for aggregate function. So if I wanted to group by sum of per product finish, so then I put group by here. You group all product finish together. And the sum here would be for each product finish. It calculates the sum of each product finish and displays it. Cherry, natural maple, etc. Good. So this is for aggregate function. Now we do some simple SQL query. Let's say we have to display product names and price for those products which are higher than 650. So I need product names. So product name, it's under this attribute, product underscore name. So in my select here, I'm going to have the attribute to display product name underscore name. Price is under unit underscore price. This is the attribute for price. For those products which are higher than 650 from product where, so now I'm going to tell it that it's going to display the product name whose price was under unit underscore price is higher than 650. Here it is. So it doesn't display 650, which is more than that, that's going to be displayed. And this is the command that has to be used, greater than 650. If I'm going to say I want to include 650, greater or equal to, okay, 650 also is displayed in the list. If I don't want it to equal, it's not equal to 650. It's going to display everything except the one which is 650. So in SQL query, not equal is this command that represents not equal. Good. Next question. Let's write it here. Display different types of product underscore finish available in this shop. A different product finish. So different product finish. If it has to be different, this means no duplicate values has to be displayed here. So distinct product underscore finish from product. Okay, we have cherry, natural, maple, walnut, wild ash, natural. Let's say I haven't put distinct in it. What would have happened? There would have been duplicates. The natural ash is repeated, etc. So we have to put the keyword distinct to eliminate the duplicates. Next question. If I want to display product names ordered by customer contemporary casuals. Let me check. Customer contemporary casuals. It's written, okay. So now display product names ordered. So customer contemporary, I'm going to get it in table customer. So now let's see. So I know that contemporary casual, this information I will get in table customer. Display product names. Product names, I'm going to get it in table product. Here it is, product underscore name. So it asks me to display product names. So here I need to have my attribute product name, and price, product names ordered by customer, contemporary, casual. So I need to know the order, all the products that has been ordered by this customer. So first of all, where I'm going to get this information, which order this particular customer has made. So let's see, here I have order line table where I have order ID and the product ID. And in orders table, here I have order ID and customers. So I need this cust ID, which has order ID, to be able to link customer table and the orders. Order line table where I have a product. I need product ID to be able to get product name. Okay, let me explain again. Here I have product name, product ID. Here I need product name. I will get this display. Which customer I have who is contemporary. I know the information contemporary casuals. So I need a customer ID which is in this table to link this table with customer table. So this is table orders. So I know I have to have table orders. Now, to know which order made for a product, this I have order line table. So now I have 4 tables that I have to link. Now, when we link, we have to perform a join. Now, how we perform a join is we must have a common column. So let's say I have customer dot cust ID is equal to. So where do I have cust ID? In this table. So orders table. So I'm going to order cust ID here. Orders dot cust ID and product dot product ID. Product is here, product underscore ID. So here have a common column here. It's product underscore ID is equal to. This is orders table. This is order line table. So product ID is here. It's written the same way. No, it's written like this. Product dot not product, order line dot product ID. Here we don't have underscore. And so I have customer and orders have been linked. Product and order line has been linked. Now we have to link these two. Orders dot order ID is equal to order line dot order ID. Normally when we have 4 tables, we have to see 3 joins, one less. Now we have another part of information which we haven't put in our query. Ordered by customer, contemporary, casuals. And customer. See, cust name is equal to contemporary, casuals. Continue here. So let's see if it runs. So contemporary casual hasn't ordered any product. Let's say home furnishing. Well, this is if we were to look for contemporary. Let's put for home furnishing has ordered a computer desk, entertainment center, computer desk. So no data because contemporary casuals didn't order any. So I've changed it to this one. Good. Next question. If I have to display customer names, if I have to display customer names who ordered on 4th April 2021. So I have to display customer name. Cus name from, I know cus name comes from customer table. The order date comes from here, but I also have cus ID here. This means I only need this table, comma, orders, where now I have two tables. The join will be only one line, where customer dot cust ID is equal to orders dot cust ID. And the other part of the question, display who ordered on 4. Now I have this information, but I have to add 22 April 2021. And order date is order underscore date. Order underscore date is equal to 04/22/2021. So this is the answer. So let's run it. And here we get. So we have to ensure it is in the format, but the date should be in the format that it is in the table. If the format was different, we ordered it, it had to follow the format where it is stored in the table. So here I have these two customers, and indeed we had here 22 April, we had two. We have 1003, 1004 order done by 522, 5555, these two customers. So customer name 5222, value furniture, and then we had impressions. And here it is. This is the answer.